Alright, trade recap for last night. Last night was Friday. We took a nice win on NASDAQ. Now there was a few potential trades you could have taken, and I want to go over them. So first off would be the NASDAQ short. We have a push at level, retrace, and a second push. I did not opt to take this one just because these 2 minutes of the opening just completely wicked out and then closed like this. So I just chose not to take it. If you did take it, it would have been a winning trade, but probably not the best trade to take. Now, the second trade there was a US30 reversal, US30 wickout. If we go to the 5-minute time frame, there it is. Okay, 5-minute time frame, we're creating a huge wick, right? So when we're starting to create a huge wick, we want to jump down to the 1-minute time frame, just like this, and we want to find our entries. So for this one, it doesn't show on this candle because they all happen in one candle, but it pushed to the fair value gap, had a very, very big, strong retrace, and then it had a second push. Stop loss protected by the fair value gap, take profit at this higher fair value gap over here. Distance-wise, only 52 points. Very easy wickout trade. So, number one, shit NASDAQ short. Number two, this is probably the best trade that was today, would be this US30 wickout early entry confirmation on NASDAQ. There was also another wickout trade on US30 as well that Joe took. Let me show you guys this one. So it would be entering, you can either enter on the 5-minute candle closure, but then it's a little bit risky because there's a fair value gap literally right here. Or you could have entered a little bit later on. So the same fair value gap that I was just talking about that we got a push, retrace, second push from. We also got an inverse candle closure. So we have a fair value gap, candle pushed up, closed above this fair value gap, inversing the fair value gap. You could have taken a trade something like, possibly something like this. You might have to put stop to break even at the fair value gap, but to be honest, I don't really worry about it when it comes to fair value gaps. If you target a little bit closer than this, I guess, you could have smashed take profit. It really just depends what your take profit is based off of, to be honest. Now, the trade that I took. Now, I think this is the second best trade. So with wickout strategy, normally we wait for the first 5 minutes or before the first 5 minutes. We got a wickout strategy here today on the second 5-minute candle after market opened, and I just wanted to see if it would still work, because I was thinking, why wouldn't it work? I know like it needs volume, but wickout strategy is to slowly chop to your take profit. So we had a 5-minute candle closure, worked out 2 fair value gaps. We had another fair value gap, which I'm going to show you guys just here. We had another fair value gap, we pushed into it, retrace, second push. So we have a push into a fair value gap, retrace, second push, inverse the fair value gap, 5-minute candle closure, everything looked amazing. So my stop loss was probably something like this. Take profit. So this is where it gets interesting. My original take profit was here, and it would have been a very clean trade if I kept it here. I moved my take profit here for only one reason. The one reason is I'm not used to taking the second 5-minute candle. I'm used to entering before it. So to test my logic, I didn't want to test it on a stupid trade and then end up losing, right? Or like I don't mind if I lose because that's the risk, but I just want to be as, safe on the account as possible, right? So if I close here, then the next trade to pass the account will only have to be here to here with a huge stop loss this big. So why not secure the profits if you're not 100% sure on the trade setup? Why don't you just secure the profits so the next setup is actually so much easier? Like I could have passed the account if I held it from here to here, but since I was just new to the setup, I want to be patient. Bottom line, that's it. So very easy stuff today. We had 4-ish possible wickout entries. I took the second best. The reason why I didn't take the first best, which was US30, is because I can't trade US30 to pass my accounts. I can only trade NASDAQ, but when we're back to normal trading, I'll be taking US30 as well. But other than that, I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly.